What's going on? What's going on? YouTube, another day, another dollar, another great Thursday here on the week, making solid gains once again. Man, we just keep, we keep pushing, we keep making bread, making it all the bread. Oh, today, considering how the wind's blowing outside my house, I felt like that tree was going to collapse. So today, with all that in mind, emotionally, with the market and everything, at the same time, it can be emotionally draining. So, I just didn't have to worry about the market. I also had to worry about this tree falling on my head. So without further ado, let's explain exactly what happened in the market today and how I managed to make over $700. I think it's a little past $700, but not much. Nonetheless, we made over $719 on the day, trading Apple, AMD, and NIO, making some solid gains here. As I break it down, we started trading Apple, baby, in the very mo. Just like I thought, I said, in my head, I was like, okay, if we break this pre-market high, we could see some more movement up to the upside. And sure enough, we broke that resistance, but we had a fake out, and then we came down. But on the first trade here, on the breakout, I did trade. I did about 3 trades here, and I profited, let's see, 554 on this one. The thing about today, I was taking smaller positions. I was taking half the positions that I normally take because of the storm, and I didn't want to get caught up on a trade, and at the same time, be all trapped in there. I didn't want to bring out my phone and be like, oh no, I gotta get out, And I was taking about 500 500 shared positions, and I kept buying the rip. I kept going in and out really fast because I did not want to be trapped in a trade, and I was wanting to take my gains really fast, and that's how I ended up making some money, I guess. I could have made double what I've had if I would have been in with the same position size as I normally do, but you can't always trade like that because of weather, stuff like that, or less volume. It just depends on you just have to measure that depending on everything at hand. So I did take about 3 or 4 trades there, and then I waited for the next 5-minute setup, and it was happening right here. I kept buying in, out, back and forth. I rode all this upwards momentum here, and I kept buying and selling back and forth, and I ended up making about $500 some on it. So then I really stopped trading this one, and I came down to AMD because I saw a little bit more momentum on this one. Actually, when I started trading it was somewhere around here, and I was buying the rips. I was buying the EMA right here at the 9 EMA. I was buying and selling the little rips. Buying the EMA, selling the rips. Kept doing that, and that put me at $64. I didn't really, it wasn't many trades I did with it, and then I was actually trading with a little less because, like I said, I was just trying to be conservative. I was really just aiming for $700 or 500 to be honest, and anything else I made after that was just pretty good or whatever. And then I also traded NIO. NIO ended up giving me $100 on the spot, and honestly, this one I made actually quite a bit of trades. I don't know. I just kept making $50, losing $50, making $50, losing $50, making $50. You get the drill. And I just the one that put me at 100, right, a solid 100, was this downside move right here. I was waiting for either direction, because I was at this point. If you see it from this perspective, it's looking like we're gonna climb up, and then if you go on this side, it looks like now we're definitely going up, and then boom, dumps him. I took a position there, and that's how I made the $100 on this move right here. You have to be very careful with these because in hindsight, obviously it's pretty easy, but in actual time, at the same time, you're just like, it can go up because there's so many scenarios that could play out. So I took my money, took $100, and now it's climbing back up. See, it's doing good. So let's just talk a little bit about what's going on in the market overall today. Honestly, the market is hot today. 33%, and TUP another 15%. Tesla 2%, That's it. Apple is up almost 3%. AMD is up almost 3%. I mean, dude, I'm telling you, I mean, the market overall is pretty darn good today. I mean, considering this whole winds that I'm, just going on around my house or whatever. I mean, you guys might hear. I'm sure you guys will. But without further ado, don't forget to leave a like down there. Subscribe to the channel. We are constantly uploading. I'm uploading almost every day if I can, possibly. But this channel is just about me, breaking down exactly what happened on the day, making money, and keep moving forward on the goals. And so one day, we get to something better. But I'll leave you guys on that. Remember to stay green. We got one more day on the market to make some more bread. But until then, we'll see you guys tomorrow.